You better get that homework done. Regular Saturday. Don't you know that you're toxic? Hey. Just a little taste.
At Pick and Save Pharmacy, we accept most insurance plans, so you can get flu, COVID, and RSV vaccines at no cost to you. No appointment needed. Get vaccinated to help protect yourself and those you love. Pick and Save, a world of care is in store.
I'm sick of homework.
A new way to search the way you speak. Built for every search, from basic to voyeuristic. Whatever you're looking for, find it with Smart Search.
I need help getting it. I need help getting it. I got to text you my new number. Please don't give it out. I know you ain't gonna give it out, but I'm just saying.
Making me weak, baby. I won't ever stop.
No, I was gonna listen to it today, actually. Hey, Danny again. Hey. This concealer smell good. Why the concealer smell good? Thank you.
Choose to follow your instincts. Every Mazda is designed to feel like it was made just for you.
I wake up.
Money's easy to understand when it speaks your language. It's not a 2-day early pay. It's a let's get this weekend started early pay. Is that a $50 overdraft?
If they keep on reporting my live, y'all gonna have to meet me on Instagram. I'm gonna let y'all know that now because they keep on reporting. I'm trying to get my live taken down. Get my page taken down. I'm gonna get it back. I'm gonna get my nose piercing back. Don't know when though. But I will get it back though. I've been thinking about it. Don't distract me. Baby, you wanna be distraction, baby. Are you there to be? Distract me.
Sometimes it's taking me chasing. So I need you with
Me.
to keep me right and keep me this I can make it so so we can say good. Just to us inside of you.
To be, so distract me. Baby, what do you wanna be? Oh, you have to be. Distraction, baby. Can't say and give my all, but tonight I miss you. Are you down to be distraction, baby? Hey. No.
Our game changer for sleep and stasis here. Garnier presents Fructis Sleep and Stay Serum. Shake it, heat it. Patented water-resistant technology, darkness fluids, and humidity. Ultra glassy sleep that stays up to 5 washes. Fructis Sleep and Stay System by Garnier.
You only have so much time. So feed Science Diet with our clinically proven antioxidant blend, helping pets live healthier as long as possible. Because you're only human. Chris Hills.
Come into the light.
Baby, take a bite. I just wanna bite.
You.
Baby, you and I can have a good time. Tell me what you like. Now listen, I've been single for a while now, and I've been kinda lonely. I'm looking for somebody to talk to, love me, someone who can hold me. Is that you? I'm looking for somebody I can call for, looking for the only one that I can give my all to. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do? Make me move. You can be my teacher, I'll do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do? It's me and you. Take me here, there's nothing I can do to spend my life with you. I'll give my heart to you. I promise that I will never let you go. There's nothing I won't do to spend my life with you.
I'll give my all to you. I'll never lie. Yeah. Need the garbage can up in here. I mean anything that I say.
I would never, ever hurt you. I open my heart.
Open my heart, give it to you.
The whole world that I
with you. Maybe I do.
I know I'm not nobody else but you. It's not me, baby. Just be my life with you. I'll give my heart to you.
I get my
I promise that I will never lie. Oh, it's not me. Just be my heart. I'll give my heart to you. My baby, so my love.
damn. Woo, that was a lot. Thank you. Hey.
Score up to 70% trees and returning faves at Michael's. Plus, decorating supplies are up to 50% off, so you can fill your space with holiday joy. Shop the best selection in-store and at Michaels.com today.
Roll up the slices and sticks, $26.99. They called it.
No, I don't have a bottle today.
Feel my
Unless y'all gonna help me get it.
Deal dear.
get
If
slices.
y'all gonna help me get it, then we can get it. If y'all ain't gonna help me get it, then we ain't getting it.
Real deal. Pizza.
Y'all know I need $50. I'm not opening up my page. I'm not opening up my page to deal with them slow assholes. But wait, I forgot. It's a slow asshole right here named Aubrey. Trying to talk shit. Why do you care, Aubrey? You ain't sending shit. Girl, if you don't get your bitch ass off my motherfucking page, get the fuck on some fucking where. It don't. Shut the fuck up. Coming up in here bothering me. It don't cost that much. It's none of your motherfucking business. If you ain't sending shit, don't say shit. Don't explain nothing to that. Don't explain nothing to that dumbass girl. Motherfucker sure be having a lot of questions and don't be sending in no money. Motherfucker sure to be going live about other people sending other people money. But be mad that nobody ain't sending them none. No, I don't got Cash App. All I got is what's on the screen. And Venmo. I know mostly everybody got Cash App, but I don't. They reported it. The haters reported it. Kept on every time I make one or try to make one, they try to report it, say I'm scamming. And they the ones scamming using my picture. Motherfuckers got a Cash App with me on there and it's not even there. It's in their phone. But I'm the scammer though. Thank you.
Check out the deco.
T-Mobile's got home internet, and it's just $35 a month.
Alright, cool, they're all done. T-Mobile's got home internet, just $35 a month, and it's guaranteed for 5 years.
Thank you. Not trying to hear it now. I ain't been known. They get me home. Thank you. They love reporting this live.
I'm ready, come and pick me up. Baby, you know a place that we can go to be alone, yeah. Long as you make sure that you're safely get me home.
Let me restart this live over again one more time.